Hey kids, JD here. Part 2, carb maintenance starts now. Okay, so you have the bottom of the carbs off. First thing we're going to do is remove the floats. What we're going to do is there's a pin here, and this is a hinged section. Pull the pin, it's going to come down. You can't see it here, but there's a pin with a spring on it. We have to make sure we get that out and put all the pieces together. So I will go ahead and do that and show you the results. So the pin is out. We can then lift up both the floats and the pin and the springs. And we'll go ahead and we'll set that in there. Okay, up next we have the jets. You have the main jet, the pilot jet. I've already backed these out for the sake of illustration, but the main jet is rather large, has a large hole, and actually this top piece comes off. Let me see if I can get that for you. Okay, so you can see the bottom, and we have this piece here. This has a fairly small hole. When you look through the top, it'll be hard to see otherwise. That needs to be cleaned out, and all the holes and everything here need to be cleaned out. Up next, pull out the pilot jet. Okay, this also comes in two pieces. I've backed all of this out already just for the sake of simplicity. So you'll have this top piece that has a little hole. Then it can be hard to get. There's another piece here, and I'll just grab that real quick. Remember, this is brass, so if you're getting it out, be careful. Okay, so here we have the top piece. If you look very carefully, you can see there's a very tiny hole there. And this is the jet. Again, it has small holes in there, so make sure you get in there, carb clean it very well. Maybe use that bristle from the wire brush. Get in there, get that as clean as you can. And that's pretty much the bottom off. On some carbs, this comes out. On this, I can't find a way to do it without marring everything. Right now I'm getting all the butterflies out. What I'm going to do is give this an ultrasonic clean, but the holes in this are actually fairly large, so I think the ultrasonic clean will get it. If you don't have that option, clean out as much as you can, blow air through it to clean it, to get all the carb cleaner out, and do your best. Then to reassemble it, just do everything in reverse order. If you like this video, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, leave comments below, hit me up on social media. I'm JD, I'm out.